1. 1989 Ford Mustang LX 5.0-liter hatchback 2D. Price, $18,000, located, Gurnee, Illinois. This 1989 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 hatchback is a freshly built Fox body performance car that was originally assembled for participation in the Hot Rod Power Tour. Combining classic Mustang styling with a carefully upgraded drivetrain, this vehicle offers the perfect blend of street performance, reliability, and collector appeal. Finished in white with a black interior, the car presents a clean and aggressive appearance that continues to make Fox body Mustangs highly desirable among enthusiasts. Power comes from a professionally built 347 cubic inch small block Ford engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake. The drivetrain was assembled approximately 1 year ago, and the seller states that nearly every component is either new or recently upgraded. This combination delivers strong acceleration and dependable performance while maintaining the lightweight characteristics that made the Fox body platform famous. The vehicle has been driven very little since completion and remains in excellent condition throughout. With only limited miles on the new build, this Mustang represents a fantastic opportunity for buyers seeking a turnkey street and strip machine. Combining proven Ford performance, modern upgrades, and timeless Fox body styling, this 1989 Mustang LX is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. 2. 1989 Ford Mustang GT. Price, $16,000, located, Commerce Township, Michigan. This 1989 Ford Mustang GT is a highly modified Fox body performance car that combines classic Mustang styling with a long list of carefully selected upgrades. Finished in an attractive exterior color and equipped with a manual T5 transmission, this Mustang delivers an engaging driving experience that appeals to both street performance enthusiasts and collectors of late-model muscle cars. The vehicle has received extensive mechanical improvements designed to increase power, reliability, and handling performance. Under the hood is a freshly rebuilt engine featuring upgraded bearings, AB camshaft, SV aluminum cylinder heads, roller rockers, port-matched Explorer intake components, and a 75mm throttle body. Additional performance enhancements include BBK headers, off-road exhaust system, Flowmaster mufflers, Terminator X engine management, and a nitrous express system for added power when desired. The suspension has been upgraded with Team Z components, strange adjustable struts, coilovers, drag springs, and tubular rear control arms. Inside, the car features new carpet, racing seats, digital instrumentation, and a rear seat delete kit. This Mustang offers impressive performance while retaining the iconic appearance that has made Fox body models increasingly popular among enthusiasts. 3. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $32,000, located, Mount Vernon, Illinois. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a professionally built drag racing machine designed for consistent and competitive performance on the strip. Combining the timeless styling of the first-generation Camaro with proven race-winning components, this vehicle represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a serious race car with documented performance history. The silver exterior gives the car a clean and purposeful appearance that perfectly complements its competition-focused design. The chassis features a sophisticated 4-link rear suspension system, Mark Williams 9-inch rear axle assembly, and a Powerglide 2-speed transmission. Additional race-ready equipment includes 4.88 gears, Mickey Thompson slicks, Willwood disc brakes, fiberglass front end and deck lid, Lexan windows, and a complete MSD7AL2 ignition system. Running on alcohol fuel, the combination has been carefully tuned for reliable and repeatable performance. According to the seller, the car has fewer than 30 passes since its most recent refresh and consistently runs in the low 6-second range. Included with the sale is a 26-foot trailer, making this an exceptional turnkey racing package for competitors seeking immediate track readiness. 4. 1983 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $8,000, located, Springfield, Michigan. This 1983 Chevrolet Camaro is an exciting project car that offers enthusiasts an excellent foundation for building a powerful street machine or weekend cruiser. Featuring the aggressive styling that made third-generation Camaros so popular during the 1980s, this vehicle combines classic American performance heritage with the potential for further customization and improvement. The car is reported to run and drive, making it an attractive option for buyers seeking a project that can be enjoyed while additional upgrades are completed. Power comes from a Chevrolet 400 cubic inch small block V8 engine, a popular choice among performance enthusiasts due to its strong torque output and aftermarket support. The engine provides an excellent starting point for anyone interested in creating a capable street performance vehicle. The seller indicates that the car remains operational and includes a clean title, adding value and convenience for the next owner. With its classic Camaro styling, V8 power, and solid project potential, this vehicle presents an affordable opportunity to enter the world of vintage American muscle cars while leaving plenty of room for personalization and future enhancements. 5. 1979 Chevrolet Monza Drag Car. Price, $9,500, located, Oakwood, Illinois. This 1979 Chevrolet Monza drag car is a well-equipped race vehicle that combines lightweight construction with proven drag strip performance. Featuring a valid title and numerous performance upgrades, the car offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and competitive bracket racing machine. The compact Monza platform has long been favored by racers due to its favorable weight distribution and strong performance potential. Power comes from a mild 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with Vortex cylinder heads, crane camshaft, Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock carburetor, and hooker headers. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body and Hurst shifter for precise gear changes. Supporting components include an MSD6AL ignition system, Holly Blue fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator, and upgraded braided fuel lines. A Ford 9-inch rear axle with 5.67 gears and ladder bar suspension helps maximize traction and consistency. According to the seller, the vehicle is capable of running in the 7-second range, making it a strong performer for bracket racing enthusiasts seeking proven results. 6. 1975 Dodge Dart. Price, $7,900, located, Kingsport, Tennessee. This 1975 Dodge Dart is a unique custom build that has been transformed into a visually striking 1970 Dodge Dart clone while retaining its original title and identity. Combining classic Mopar styling with dependable V8 power, this vehicle offers an affordable entry into the world of vintage muscle cars. The exterior incorporates a 1970 front end, doors, rear lighting, and bumpers, giving the car the appearance of one of the most desirable Dart body styles ever produced. Under the hood is a 318 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with flat-top pistons, a Mopar purple shaft camshaft, headers, and dual exhaust. The engine is paired with a 904 automatic transmission and benefits from a modern aluminum radiator with electric cooling fans. Additional features include power steering, power front disc brakes, fuel cell, upgraded floor pan, and weld racing wheels fitted with newer tires. The vehicle runs and drives well while offering plenty of potential for future improvements. With its clean Tennessee title, classic Mopar character, and upgraded mechanical components, this Dodge Dart provides excellent value for muscle car enthusiasts. 7. 1984 Chevrolet Corvette Championship Special Edition Coupe 2D. Price, $7,500, located, Warsaw, Indiana. This 1984 Chevrolet Corvette Championship Special Edition Coupe is a distinctive sports car that celebrates an important era in Corvette history. Finished in black with a brown interior, the vehicle combines the futuristic styling of the C4 generation with modifications that enhance its character and driving enjoyment. As one of the most recognizable American sports cars of the 1980s, the Corvette continues to attract enthusiasts seeking performance, comfort, and collector appeal. The vehicle has been modified and maintained as a dependable driver. According to the seller, it runs, drives, and stops properly, making it a road-ready classic that can be enjoyed immediately. The sleek aerodynamic body design, removable roof panel configuration, and driver-focused cockpit help deliver the sports car experience that made the C4 Corvette famous among enthusiasts. Inside, the cabin offers comfortable seating, digital-era styling, and the unique design elements that defined Chevrolet performance during the decade. Combining affordability, iconic styling, and enjoyable road manners, this Championship Special Edition Corvette presents an excellent opportunity for buyers seeking an accessible entry into classic American sports car ownership. 8. 1988 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price, $11,000, located, Gary, Indiana. This 1988 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 IROC-Z is a well-preserved example of one of the most popular American performance cars of the 1980s. Finished in black with a blue interior, this two-owner vehicle retains much of its original character while benefiting from important maintenance and mechanical updates. The IROC Z package remains highly sought after among collectors due to its distinctive appearance, improved handling, and connection to Chevrolet's performance heritage. Power comes from the original 305 cubic inch tuned port injection V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission that was rebuilt recently. Additional highlights include T-top roof panels, stainless steel exhaust system, new brakes, and a recently installed battery. The seller reports that the car starts reliably, drives straight, and that all major systems function properly. The underside remains exceptionally clean thanks to long-term corrosion protection treatment. While minor cosmetic and maintenance items remain, the vehicle offers an excellent balance of originality and usability. Combining V8 performance, iconic styling, and growing collector interest, this Camaro Z28 represents an appealing opportunity for enthusiasts of classic American performance cars. 9. 1970 Ford LTD. Price, $5,000, located, Ocoee, Tennessee. This 1970 Ford LTD Special is a full-size American classic that delivers the comfort, presence, and power that made Ford's flagship models so popular during the muscle car era. Finished in red with a matching red interior, this LTD captures the bold styling and road presence that defined American automobiles of the early 1970s. Its long body lines, spacious cabin, and powerful drivetrain make it an appealing choice for enthusiasts seeking a traditional full-size cruiser. Under the hood sits a Ford 460 cubic inch big block V8 engine paired with a durable C6 automatic transmission. This legendary combination is known for producing impressive torque and dependable performance, making the car enjoyable for highway driving, local cruises, and weekend events. Recent maintenance includes new front tires, fresh oil service, wheel alignment, and a replacement battery. The vehicle runs well and remains a solid driver quality classic. While the paint shows some scratches and there are a few areas of rust, the car retains plenty of character and originality. With a clean title and strong mechanical foundation, this Ford LTD offers excellent value for collectors and classic car enthusiasts alike. 10. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $28,900, located, Louisville, Kentucky. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a clean and attractive American muscle car finished in eye-catching hugger orange with a black interior. Combining classic styling with tasteful performance upgrades, this Nova delivers the type of driving experience that has made these cars increasingly popular among collectors and enthusiasts. The vehicle maintains its vintage character while offering modern improvements that enhance reliability and enjoyment behind the wheel. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and a durable 10-bolt rear axle. Performance upgrades include an Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum radiator, full-length headers, performance camshaft, and dual exhaust system. The result is a strong-running Nova with an aggressive exhaust note and responsive performance. Additional features include power steering, power front disc brakes, aftermarket gauges, high-back bucket seats, floor shifter, CD player, and classic weld draglight wheels. The body remains solid and presents well as a driver-quality vehicle. This Nova offers an excellent balance of performance, comfort, and classic Chevrolet muscle car appeal. 11. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price, $35,000, located, Collins, Ohio. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a serious street and strip machine built to deliver exceptional performance while maintaining the aggressive appearance of a second-generation Camaro. Finished in green, the car has been professionally assembled with high-quality racing components and is available either as a complete turnkey package or as a roller for buyers seeking their own engine combination. At the heart of the vehicle is a massive 582 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine producing nearly 1,000 horsepower. The engine is backed by a straight-cut Powerglide transmission housed in an aftermarket case. Power is delivered through a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring 4.11 gears and 40-spline axles. The chassis has been back-halved and equipped with ladder bars, QA1 double-adjustable shocks, and aerospace brakes on all four corners. Additional features include a MagnaFuel 500 fuel pump, quick fuel carburetor, optional APD alcohol carburetor, and numerous race-ready upgrades throughout. Combining exceptional horsepower, professional construction, and proven performance components, this Camaro offers an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a highly capable and competitive machine. 12. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $50,000, located, Mountain Rest, South Carolina. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a heavily modified muscle car that combines iconic first-generation Camaro styling with outstanding street and strip performance. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this vehicle has undergone extensive upgrades designed to create a powerful and attention-grabbing machine. The result is a unique build that offers both collector appeal and serious performance capability. Power comes from a professionally built 383 cubic inch stroker V8 featuring ported-in polished aluminum cylinder heads. The engine has been designed to produce an estimated 600 to 700 horsepower and is paired with a PowerGlide 2-speed transmission equipped with a trans brake. The drivetrain is supported by a Dana 60 rear axle fitted with 4.11 gears and a Detroit TrueTrack differential for maximum durability and traction. The chassis has been reinforced with full frame connectors and a complete roll cage, while racing harnesses provide additional safety. Built to handle substantial horsepower, this Camaro delivers impressive performance and an unmistakable presence. It is a true head-turning muscle car that stands apart from ordinary classic Camaro builds.